The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are Apple's new high-end flagship smartphones. The 6.1 and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro models looks flat edges, stainless steel enclosure, a textured matte glass back and a ceramic shield protected display. Apple calls the dynamic island a pill-shaped cutout at the front of the display that houses camera equipment and can change in shape and size using software depending on what's on the screen. The dynamic island can show payment confirmations with Face ID, maps directions, phone calls, music information, live activities like sports scores, timers, and more, plus it can be interacted with using a tap and hold gesture. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max feature a new Super Retina XDR display with updated Pro Motion technology that allows for an always-on display, a first for an iPhone and is possible through 120Hz refresh rate with improved power-efficient technologies. Apple added a 48-megapixel main camera with a quad-pixel sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 12-megapixel for telephoto with autofocus. It has optical image stabilization, reduces shake and blur, and larger pixels for sharper images details. Apple also added emergency SOS via satellite, an option that allows the iPhone 14 to connect directly to satellites for communication purposes in emergency situations when Wi-Fi and cellular are not available, and also includes crash detection. For video, there's an action mode that provides smooth-looking video with better image stabilization than ever before. Cinematic mode has been improved and is available in 4K at 30 FPS and 4K at 24 FPS. Apple Bionic A16 chipset in the iPhone 14 Pro models powers a photonic engine that improves low-light performance and support 5G connectivity, and carrier now use eSIM. The iPhone 14 Pro lasts battery life for up to 23 hours when watching videos. The iPhone 14 Pro models come in deep purple, silver, gold, and space black, and pricing starts at $999. The iPhone 14 Pro models are available in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage capacity.